working on sewing the sail, and I thought I'd just show you how I do it. I got this handy dandy sewing, I'd call it a thimble, but it's not a thimble. Well, I'm sure it has a real name. Somebody tell me what it is. Sailing name. So, the holes are already there. That went in pretty easy, but I would take this, and, you know, to push it with, and that's how I would push it through the thick sail. Pull it tight. So these already have holes, so that makes it a lot easier. But sometimes it's still a little bit of an effort to get the needle to go through. So, and that's when you use this. Ta-da! Cool, huh? Relaxing. Not a bad boat project compared to some of the other ones. I'll take Good Karma. It's like a plastic, oh, it's a soda
bottle.
cup.
Soda.
It's a cup.
We need Good Karma because we're not good at fishing.
You want the net?
Yep.
Might be the only thing we catch today.
At least I net something today.
All right. Nice. Good job.